Alright, so today we're doing a fun experiment with steaks.
You ready? Let's go!
So I've seen this being done on YouTube and I thought I would do something a little bit different with it, but it's going to be somewhat similar. I'm using some sirloins here. The one's going to go, and this is basically blended pineapple.
My house is back!
I'm also going to dry brine one with the salt, and then I'm going to use what I usually like to use on steaks if I'm going to marinate them, which is rare, but sometimes I do, is I'm going to use a little bit of teriyaki with a little bit of worcestershire and some hot sauce. So let's get to it.
Flossie, you say you're a little tired this morning, is that right?
I am tired.
Now, as you may have seen a week or so ago, I did a brined pineapple chicken. This time I'm going to be just basically using the pineapple blended in itself inside of here. And then, yeah, I'm going to see how this works. I've seen Google do this and I want to try it, so we'll see how it works out. We'll see if this pineapple has a means to actually marinate this steak and make it juicier or better than the other ones. For the next one, I'm using basically, the way I usually do is 3 parts teriyaki. I like to use 1 part Worcestershire sauce, and then I like to use another part, half of a part, sorry, of hot sauce. So yeah, there's that. Alright, so this one, I'm just basically using salt. I'm going to let that rest on there. We'll see how it turns out. So here's the one in the basically blended pineapple. This is the one with the teriyaki, soy sauce, not soy sauce, teriyaki, Worcestershire, and of course my hot sauce blend. And then this one has nothing on it. I just put it in the bag so it doesn't get the salt brine on it. And this is the one that's just basically gonna brine and salt. We're gonna let these rest for quite a while before we even get to cooking these later on tonight. So we'll see how it turns out.
Always remember, if you ain't first, you're last.
If you ain't first, you're last.
Here we go. First things first, here's the steak that was salt brine. I've already rinsed that off. This is a steak with nothing on it. This is the steak that we normally will use, which is teriyaki, soy sauce, and a little bit of hot sauce as far as the marinade. And then last but not least, the one I've been trying, interested to see if it's going to work out or not, is this one and pineapple. So yeah, we'll see which one of these work. Stay tuned. First things first, here's the steak with a little bit of, this is the one we typically do as far as marinade or whatever. I'm actually going to cut off the backside here. I don't know what I'm doing. And this is the steak with the teriyaki and the soy sauce. Teriyaki, soy, and obviously some hot sauce. Good texture, good flavor. Not bad. Let's move on to the one that was done in pineapple. Not a lot of flavor, but I'm going to tell you this now, that one with the pineapple is definitely more tender.
Don't say.
Don't ask me why. This one is the salt brine steak. Honestly, not that good. It's okay. And this one is with nothing on it. Alright. Alright, so tough choice. What I will say is this. The one marinated with teriyaki, soy, and hot sauce has more flavor than any of these. The pineapple is more tender, more juicy than any of these. The salt, you can taste the hints of salt, but did it really enhance the flavor of the beef? Not really. And of course the one that didn't really have any seasoning at all, it was okay. It was nothing to brag about. So if I'm picking today the winner of this steak championship, I'm definitely going with this one. There's a reason. I guess we have been using that for some time. I think what I'm going to try to do next time though is I'm going to try to brine it in pineapple for longer than 5 hours and then also season it. I bet if I would have seasoned this, it probably would have beat this one. But since I didn't, and this one already had the flavors into it, I think that's why this one's going to win. So in any case, it was a great test. Good to see how it worked out, and it gives me an opportunity to try new things. So thanks for paying attention. Thanks for watching.